So, welcome to another Chasing Currents video. We've had enough of 2020, so we're going to wrap up a whole year of sailing and move on to 2021 in this video.
Yep, so we're going to talk about our journey so far, as well as the reality of plans not always going how you'd hoped. So, a really quick backstory. We brought our boat Talisman here in Lauren Marine. We were stuck there from October 2019 to June 2020, visiting the boat on weekends only while still living in central England. Bryn then had serious operation, which left me to clean the bilges, fit the diesel heater, sand and epoxy. We were then all set to launch Talisman to live aboard full time and learn to sail. Enter COVID-19 and our first national lockdown in March. So we remained separated from our boat, unable to visit her at all. We still made the most of this time by carrying out mini projects from land, taking our dinghy to a local canal, doing day skipper theories and earning money whilst working. Lockdown restrictions finally lessened in June and we were able to finish anti-fouling and finally get Talisman in the water. The summer then consisted of us doing our competent crew and day skipper courses, which was undertaken for 3 days on board Talisman and 2 days on board our instructor's boat. We then made our way to Talisman's new home in Southsea Marina. We immediately settled into boat life here and felt as though we were finally living out our dreams. We worked on developing our confidence. This is our first time ever out on our sailboat on our own. Ever. It's our first time ever put in the Maino alone. And spent many weekends taking our family over to the Isle of Wight, as well as to different spots along the south coast. We spent lots of time at anchor enjoying food and drink with friends and family. We managed to spend quite a lot of time in the sea and pushing ourselves to go out in somewhat challenging conditions, and basically just had an amazing summer. During this time we also installed our solar panels and overhauled our plumbing.
I've replaced every single water hose. Jade has been smashing it as well. She's been at that laptop all day, every day.
Excellent work, optimistic, feeling good, feeling excited. The water tastes good. I'm gonna drink some now.
Actually, yeah, so I don't know how much I got on. Did we film it?
Unfortunately, our plans to make YouTube videos didn't quite go to plan. Being brand new to filming ourselves and brand new to sailing, we found it a struggle to really focus on making videos. We had some interesting moments that we didn't quite catch on camera. Semi-ground in the boat, a dinghy crashing into the front of us.
So we were just about to pull the anchor up, and there's quite a few sailing dinghies around here, and then one of them just crashed into the front of our boat and bent our port and starboard light on the boat while we're at anchor. So we hadn't lifted anchor, we hadn't removed the anchor board, but do you know what? Yeah, I suppose. And it is extremely busy in there. There's like 2-3 races going on at the same time. So that was fun getting out, but it's alright.
And some situations where we really didn't bring in the sails soon enough, which could have caused some serious issues. Don't worry, we've learnt our lesson.
We often had the camera out, but we struggled to focus on actually making videos.
That's why we've made this video, to really summarise our journey so far and let you know that the storytelling's properly beginning as of now. This brings us to the moment where the boat comes out of the water for some winter jobs. So we winterised the boat and removed the sails to take for servicing. Talisman was hoisted from her watery home and delivered to her new temporary home on land.
Boat driving down the road. What are your thoughts, Jade?
It's got one of those amphibious vehicles, you see?
Okay, so it's the next day and the sails are all dropped off. We've had a good chance to have a look around Talisman and see what work we really think needs doing.
Yep, there's a few bits that are going to need some attention. The keel has rusted a little bit at the bottom and the anodes need changing, but we did already know that. But yeah, so the next few videos will kind of keep you updated with the boat work we're doing inside as well, because we've got a few little tasks that we're doing.
Quite a few. There's a few projects.
Installation. Then hopefully we'll be back in the water and back on an adventure.
With some amazing upgrades and some cool stuff that are going to help us.
Very exciting.
That's the dream. We're living the dream.
We lined up our calendar for all the upgrades we wanted to do and booked to be launched back in the water in 8 weeks. However, this didn't happen how we'd hoped. We did manage to carry out some epic upgrades, which we'll show you in our next few videos.
But lockdown restrictions, they hit us hard the second time round.
Plans don't always turn out how you'd hoped, but you've got to make the most of your situation. We really hope you enjoyed this video. We just wanted to get you up to speed really, so you're more or less on real time now.
Almost.
But yeah, please, any questions or any comments, let us know. We're really enjoying hearing from everybody, and we're just so glad that you're enjoying the videos so far. So thank you so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed these videos.
Yep, just want to say thank you. They love it. Give me this. Oh my days.
Kill me now.
And cut. So yeah, thank you for watching. Absolutely love you guys. Thank you for all your support.
We'll see you soon.